God or judge upon the earth. We are God. Psalms 82 and 6. Okay, that's your point. But now he said, hold on, let me finish. You know what I'm saying? You already said something now. This is a dialogue, okay? You know what I'm saying? So we elaborate upon, I understand or overstand however we want to put it. You know what I'm saying? What you're saying. We got both of them.
This is John chapter 6, verse 63. It is the spirit that quickeneth.
It is the spirit that gives life to things. You know what I'm saying? You get in a car, you activate the car, you move the car. The car is a vessel. Your spirit enters your body and moves your body. Your body's a vessel. Once the spirit is gone, your body lays there. I've been to enough wakes and funerals to see a body without a spirit. There's no life in no body without a spirit. Right? So the spirit quickens, right? You know?
The flesh profiteth nothing.
The spirit quickeneth, the flesh profiteth nothing. Right? Read on.
The word.
The what?
The word.
The what?
The word.
The words, right? The words that we speak into our people. Read on.
That I speak unto you.
That I speak unto you, go ahead.
They are spirit.
They are what?
They are spirit.
They are spirit, go ahead.
And they are life.
And they are life, right? Because even when you grow in a plant, there's been a research that even when you grow in plants, if you speak negative words to it, like I hate you, to a bastard, to a plant, the plant will grow awkward. But if you speak I love you, that's why a lot of people sing and talk to their plants. The plants will grow up better. But just the vibrations that come out your mouth. Because the words that we speak unto our people, they are spirit and they are life.
The book of Psalms, chapter 82, verse 6. I have said, ye are God.
You are what?
Ye are God.
You are what?
Ye are God.
Not only physically and genetically, we are superior to every other race, but we are God's because the spirit that's within us. The seed line goes back to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. We have the spirit of the Most High within us. Right? Read on.
And all of you are children of the Most High.
All of us, right? All of us so-called blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans. Right? You got the spirit of the Most High.
That cigarette, though, we don't smoke right here. So say it, King. Love you, bro. You're trying to wake up our people, man. You know you're God, man.
I already know that, bro.
Okay. Just saying, man. Come back and build with us, man.
Yeah, you should come back and build with us. At least 5 minutes, bro.
Okay, King.
Right, ye are God, right? But read that again from the top.
Psalms 82:6. I have said, ye are gods, and all of you are children of the Most High.
All of you are children of the Most High, okay?
But ye shall die like men.
You shall what?
Die like men.
But ye shall die like men, right? Read on.
And fall like one of the princes.
But we die like men, we fall like one of the princes because we don't carry ourselves like gods. You understand? We carry ourselves like niggas. We carry ourselves like thugs. We carry ourselves like human beings, actually. But on the real, we are really gods upon the earth. We are judges, according to the Most High. Now, what you have to say?
First of all, I want to say I respect you, brother. I respect what you're doing. I see the power that you got coming from you. The people that's thinking and showing love. Respect all that. But my understanding and your understanding are two different things. Because I feel like when you say spirit is created through words you speak it. I can create a spirit right now and teach you what that word means, and you have, and that's a creative spirit. That's how you create a spirit. God created words, right? I believe that God created words for us to have understanding about ourselves. That's a spirit. When I can come up with a word, I come up with a word right now and tell you what it means. I gave that word life because I created that word, and I gave it life and I gave it meaning. And then you understand what that word means. So that's what a God is. So whoever created the word nigger, thug, and shoot, and kill, he's the one that created the words that control life. That's a God. So what I'm saying is, if I can call myself, consider myself a God, I'm going to create words to give people life and understanding about how I want them to live in this world. And how they want them to design and build as people to be a powerful nation. That's what God was doing. That's why the Bible was written. He had people, he taught these people the things, the words he created, so they can go by and teach the people the words he spoke. And so that's where you got Satan coming in. You understand? That's what I believe.
But what you believe can work on both ends, because what's the difference between a God and a devil then?
Because the devil's the opposite. If you break the devil, devil means live. He's the opposite of life.
No, devil means deceiver. He's a deceiver.
That's what your understanding means.
right? But
Precept.
I could make up a word too, but I say this word means something when it really means something else, then I deceive you, right? So there's a big difference between a God and a devil. A God judges righteously, a devil does whatever hell he wants.
Right. The devil's the opposite of life. That's what I thought it was. That's my understanding. The devil, that's why his name spelled backwards, live. L-I-V-E spelled live. He spelled evil back to mean live.
That's only
So the
because
opposite-
English is a bastard language.
Con.
That's why they tell you to pay a mortgage when the root word of that goes to mort. Mort, that means death, right? Because in the
don't
good
believe in
morning, right? Why would you be mourning and it be good?
I don't
when you're
believe in
mourning, you're sobbing because of death. English itself is a bastard language. So when we go into the Hebrew though, which is the stronger life, the stronger words, right? Those little knickknacks, they get cut out. They cut loose. You understand? That's what I'm saying. Like, there's a deeper understanding what you're trying to go for, but that's because you got to get connection with the grand creator. We are all gods, but it says in the scriptures we are because we are children of the Most High. You understand? You got to get connection with the grand creator first to have full understanding, brother.
But I don't believe in death because death is nothing but a illusion.
That's agonizing.
Death is a curse. You're supposed to live forever. Yeah, the brother got a precept.
The book of John, chapter 10, verse 26. This for you, brother. But you believe not, because you are not of my sheep. And I say unto you, my sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me.
Right. That's true too. You gotta have the spirit of Hamashiach Yahushua inside you to really understand too. And you can't even understand him unless you keeping the laws. Once you start keeping the laws of the Most High, you understand that's when the spirit also talks to you too through Hamashiach Yahushua.
Nice talking to you, brother.
What's your name, brother?
Demond Mitchell.
Huh?
Demond Mitchell.
Demond Mitchell.
Yeah.
All right. Israelite power.
Do you know your nationality?
I don't really believe in all that, man.
You don't believe in that?
I believe I'm a spiritual being from a higher being.
So you ain't from no nation.
Yeah, but
Lost sheep,
my
you
mind,
a lost sheep.
I'm not a lost
hold
sheep.
on.
I don't
You
believe
believe in a
design.
spiritual higher being, right?
Yeah, I don't
but
believe
the
in design.
But the higher being has order.
Right.
He has order. That's why the sun rises at a certain time. That's why the moon rises at a certain time. He has a certain order. He's not a god of chaos. He's not a higher being of chaos. So when he made man, when he made mankind, he made different nations. He made different nationalities. He categorized things. He's a god of order. Without order, there's chaos. You understand? So understand you belong to a nation, brother, whether you know it or not.
Peace, brother.
All right?
Peace.
Peace up to you, brother.
All right, be safe.
I see the hand up. Somebody raising their hand?
No, I was just gonna fill it with that mortgage in
Yeah.
the French. That means death note.
That means definitely.
Yeah,
Death note.
French.
Yeah.
That means death note. That's why it's 30 years.
You didn't peep his ring?
I kind of saw it.
Yeah, he was a Freemason. He was a Mason.
That's why he was
So like, yeah, I mean, I ain't want to step in just yet. I just noticed that he had doctrine. Yeah, he had doctrine, so I just stepped in for a second. You continue teaching. Actually, I wasn't. Who was teaching?
Well, he filming now.
All right, you're filming now. Might as well.
I called you out, man.
Yeah.
The Lord.
I just seen. I mean, the brother had doctrines, and then he tried to walk off and confuse that sister that he was with, that young sister, because she looked confused in the face. You know what I'm saying?
You know your nationality, brother? You don't come up, we'll teach you. You teach you.
I'm listening. I'm here.
All praise, brother. All praise.
You said a few things that struck. Like I you know what I'm saying? I know I'm a king, and I know the Most High is. So you two right there, I'm with.
So, as far as you know, what is your nationality?
Black.
Black, right? But then again, like we call ourselves black, but none of us is the color of the shirt. You know what I'm saying? None of us is the color of this garment. So we're not really black. We're like different shades of brown. Right? Black is a proverb and a byword. Right? Get that from me out.
I got that.
And the curse. When they call us a proverb and a byword, right? Yeah, get that from me out. Bring that out.
The book of Isaiah, chapter 1, verse 3. The ox knoweth his owner.
So if you ever seen a person on a farm, ever seen farmland before? Right? If the owner of an ox calls the ox, come here, Bessie. They're gonna understand who they belong to. So the ox knows his owner. That's a primitive animal. The ox knows his owner. You know?
And the ass his master's crib.
The ass,
King James,
jackass, a donkey. The ass nose is master strip. A donkey can wander. Even a dog. A dog get loose and wander, eventually the dog will come back home unless something happens to it. Get hit by a car or something. But a dog will wander around and eventually come back home. So the ass nose is master strip. So an ox knows his owner, and the ass, right? A dumb jackass knows where he belongs, right? Read on.
But Israel do not know.
Who?
But Israel do not know.
Israel do not know. Read on.
My people do not consider.
For example, my sister, what is your nationality?
My people do not consider.
Our people don't even consider it. They don't even consider what their nationality is. They'll keep on walking, right? They don't even understand that question. I ran across grad students. Yeah, you can grab that for the brother.
The whole chart. I'm gonna hold it for him.
I got it.
I ran across grad students, brothers and sisters that went to school many years and got their masters. You understand, brother? The most intellectual people in society. But if I run across a Chinese person, they'll tell me their nationality. They'll go back to the Ming Dynasty. If I tell a white man what's his nationality, he'll go back to the Caucasus Mountains. But you ask our people their nationality, they don't really know. Well, I've been told that my people are from Africa because we came off of slave ships. You know what I'm saying? But there is many different races in Africa. There's many different countries in Africa. If you go to Africa right now, they will not tell you that they're African. They'll be like, I'm Zimbabwean. You understand? I'm Kenyan. I'm Egyptian. You understand? They'll tell you different parts of Africa where they're from. But our people just be like, I'm from Africa. They won't know exactly where they're from. But they don't consider it. They get assimilated into America. And it makes no sense for them to be assimilated into a culture that was built for the destruction. This whole culture of America was built for our destruction. It was built to keep us enslaved and keep them making money off of us. And to this very day, all they do is just use us, make money off us, kick us to the side. To this very day. You understand? So our people got to come back to our nationality and our true purpose in life. Because all of a sudden we just live in the white man's purpose. The white man's purpose is what? Grind, get your money, die.
Nah, work for me.
You know what I'm saying? There's much more to life. There's much more to life than just working on your life. You understand? There's much more meaning to life. You think that the Creator put us here with all the talent, all the spirituality we have, just to work until we die? Or work until the white man take away our money, which will happen, just happened to Steve Harvey, what happened to Whitney Houston, what happened to Bill Cosby? Work until the white man decided to take away our money? What we really are, right, is the children of Israel. But that curse is in the Bible. Read that, huh? Read that for me.
Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 37. And thou shalt become an astonishment.
You became astonishment to the nations. That's why they always watch us like, wow, look what the niggas did. Watch the niggas dribble basketball. Watch the niggas play football. Watch the niggas rap. Watch the niggas in the Olympics. Wow. You know what I'm saying? We became an astonishment, okay?
A proverb.
A proverb. We became a proverb around the nations. Oh, the niggas is lazy. The niggas never get anywhere on time. You understand? Read on.
And a byword.
You know what?
And a byword.
Nigga's a byword. Black is a byword. Afro-American is a byword. You understand? Porch monkey's a byword. We be called everything except what we really are as the children of Israel.
Right.
You can't tell me Moses was a white man when the Egyptians were black.
Right.
Moses was mistaken for an Egyptian. Moses couldn't be in Egypt looking like that. Moses would die. Moses would catch skin cancer and die if he was in Egypt looking like that.
That's right.
You understand? Over 2,000 years ago, 6,000 years ago, wasn't no sun black for them. They was in the Caucasus Mountains hiding from the sun. Right? They was in the Caucasus Mountains hiding from the sun 6,000 years ago, brother.
Cancer.
Right? They catch cancer from the sun. So you know damn well they wasn't building no pyramids, brother. How are they building pyramids? They didn't even build America. We built America. How they gonna build pyramids? We invented the stoplight. We invented the cell phone. We invented the doorknob, brother. They had the little things you pull on before
We invented the fire escape.
we invented the fire
Yo,
escape.
that's the craziest shit I've heard in Black history.
Yeah,
we
we
invented
invented the fire.
the fire escape.
So now,
Brother,
You know how prominent that? No. That is what firefighters have to take up sometimes.
yeah, and that's how
Not to
people
mention
escape. So brother, so now
I'm considering
that's just the tip of the iceberg.
Yeah,
Because there's a lot of things we made that they took credit for. You understand? So knowing that not only are we physically superior to them, but also mentally superior, how do we end up in slavery? If we're superior to them in every aspect you can think about, how did we go into slavery?